Hello, Owl. I haven't done one of these in a while, but right now we are, what time is it? It's almost 9. And we are cooking corn and hot dogs on a fire that is outside. Mind alright. Here's the fire. There they are, with corn and a hot dog. Here's my sister.
Whoa, no, stop. No,
Oh, hot. It's hot now.
It's hot?
It's hot.
Oh, no, duh.
Yep.
Hi. Thanks. I'm wearing Jaden's jacket.
Yay.
I don't think our hot. Look at my corn.
It's barely even cooked. Look, compare.
Whatever.
That's my hot dog, which is sitting there.
Stop, Duchess.
Oh no, she's going for the hot dog. I don't know what to do with this.
Just hold it.
Come on, I'm eating corn.
How did you take it off? Okay, Dutch, stop. You need to stop. You need to get off my leg. Is this
yeah.
hot? It's gonna fly off, watch.
Vicky saw pictures of you. She says you're hot.
Is she a lesbian?
No.
Is she straight?
Yeah.
And she said I'm hot. Oh, thank you.
That's funny.
Stop! Dutch! Where's my hot dog? Okay. Oh my god.
She wants that hot dog.
She does. She wants everything. She's a fatty. She's a little fatty. Hi, Dutch.
Put some corn. Put some salt on the corn.
Yeah. So this is unsalted butter or what?
Yeah.
Oh. Why did we get unsalted butter?
Okay.
I guess.
That cooks better.
Mr. Chef over here.
Oh no. What's this stuff in your face?
Corn. What is that? Oh, the face.
Oh.
The fire alarm again.
That's what I was thinking it was.
That was horrible.
After you burn those cookies.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
It was a rice cooker.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you know how to walk with sharp objects?
Definitely not pointing towards it.
He was carrying a pair of scissors to Daddy, and he was holding them by the handles, and he was walking like this.
Wow.
Yeah, don't do that. I told him.
Mm. Oh, me. No.
Ew. That's so greasy.
Your turn.
Corn. I got stuck between my teeth.
Uh-huh. Nom nom. Can't show outside, it's too dark. You can't see anything. My reflection.
I just took a shower, and now I smell like. What's it called? Like burnt wood.
Smoke.
Yeah. It
Uh,
smelled like sesame. This is really good.
I know.
Like, what the heck?
I'm having a good old time eating this thing.
It's just falling off in the mouth.
No. I know it's supposed to be weird for you, huh?
What?
Let's watch her eat.
I know. You know what's even weirder? I fit this jacket.
I know.
How's it going? Pretty good?
It's really good.
Is that all of it?
All what?
Was it?
Coins.
No.
There's 5 in the bag.
Recording?
Yeah.
There's 5 in the bag, so each one of us had, I had 2.
We had 2, but then there were 5 after you had 2.
Oh.
So,
I don't know where the corn is.
I think there were.
Where did you put it?
Well, finish cooking your hot
It should be
dogs,
next to
we'll
my
do some
seat.
more- do some more corn. Oh, is it?
Should be. And the hot dogs too. Oh no, the hot dogs are here.
I brought the hot dog.
Hot dog.
There's stuff in my teeth.
We have
You're cooking.
marshmallows.
You can tell them your plan?
Oh, with the pork. With the beans?
The beans.
Finish with this hot dog, or when you guys finish with your hot dogs, I'll put 2 of these on a stick and I'll cook them.
Okay.
Here, you can take.
Why is that so funny?
Here, take the stick.
Huh? You sure?
Yeah. We're fine. Whatever.
I don't get why the beans are so funny.
I don't know. She wants to cook baked beans in the fire.
Oh, in the fire?
Yeah.
I never said that.
That's what you implied.
You imply
That's what
that?
you were assuming.
Whatever.
Implications and assumptions.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Implications and assumptions, 2 of our worst enemies.
Well.
Yes.
Well.
Yeah.
Well.
Besides the terrorists. Oh.
Who did that? Judges? Demon dog.
That's
I'm so
more in the
mad.
bag.
Whatever. These are turkey dogs
Use the
anyway.
other metal.
Not
Just
the
the
middle?
small metal, yeah.
Oh, the small skewers.
Where are those?
I have no idea.
In the drawers there was a silverware on the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, corn right there in your face.
What?
Nice.
I totally didn't. Where?
In the silverware? I don't know where it was made. Get out of my way, demon dog.
I don't know.
Happy?
Mm,
Is it in the silverware?
it wasn't in there.
Mm.
Oh.
I think it's that.
Oh, here they are.
Oh my god. You know how, isn't that Goofy on Mickey Mouse where he goes,
Yeah.
I can't do that.
That was gruesome.
I can't do that.
No one can. Well, I think I kind of almost did. Okay. There we go. There's your hot dog skewers.
Okay, remind me that one's dirty.
That one's dirty.
Later. When I'm done with the corn.
How would we cook these
Or
beans?
take it off and just give it to Jingles or something.
Okay.
Jingles, you want a hot dog?
It's gonna like skewer me. Hang on.
Don't give it to Duchess because she's the one that knocked it over.
Jingles! Who is a good doggy?
That's so horrible.
A good doggy is you. Oh man, she's keeping it away. She's like, I want some.
Oh my gosh. Aw. Oh my goodness. She looks like she has a disease.
Why? Because of that, like the bald spot in her back.
And the red spot. And her losing hair. Oops, my bad.
Jeez, that almost killed me.
No, it did.
Totally almost did. Just missed my leg.
Oh my god.
But I had a huge
Even if
skewers
it
in my
hit
leg.
you. Even if it hits you, I doubt it would kill you. What are you doing?
What
Oh
can
yeah,
I
that
do
would
with
just
this?
slice right through you, huh?
Yep, totally would have.
It's dirty.
Okay.
Are you dirty?
That's a look at the fire. That's disinfecting.
What does that have to do with anything? It's on the floor.
So?
After the fire.
Yeah, put it back in the fire.
But you put it on the table already.
So?
What kind of logic is that?
Whatever.
Oh my
Just put the
god.
table in the fire. No Jingles, no more.
I feel like a fatty.
Eating corn?
I'm so cold.
Eating corn?
Yes? Doesn't it fill you up?
Eating corn?
What is with this tone in your voice?
I don't know.
I swear.
What?
First it was with the beans, and now it's with the corn.
I don't know. Beans? Beans?
Who eats beans?
I wasn't saying who eats beans. I was like, fire, beans, you're like,
It's perfect.
no, it's not.
What kind of pioneer doesn't do that?
Well, who's a pioneer? Are you a pioneer?
Deep down.
Wow.
At heart.
Okay.
I know. I need to take Jason's jacket off.
Yeah.
Look at it. It doesn't even fit my arm. It fits down here though.
It's lengthwise, it's fine.
Yeah.
Anyway.
He's a big boy.
He's a big boy. Anyway, time to cook more corn.